Use clip to your keys.
Please stop. Trying to make a video. No. Okay, folks, thanks for tuning in. I'm TheNoCodeTech, and today I'm looking at the 8-pack of the EBL AA batteries with a different style charger, a plug into the wall, nickel metal hydride or nickel cadmium AA charger. Let's take a look. Simple box, very similar to the other EBLs that I took a look at. These are in fact 2300 milliamp hours, so a little bit less than the 2800 milliamp hour ones that I've already done a video on. So side note, these little battery holders here from storacell.net. Pretty cool. You can get them on Amazon. They hold 4, or you can get them in, I think, like an 8-pack or what have you, but get them from B&H Photo. Better pricing that way. But yeah, so we got 4 of the 2300 milliamp hour. These are nickel metal hydride, and a nice little charger. Instructions, plastic, but unlike the previous ones with the little plug into the wall, USB type charging ones, EBL also does have a dedicated 5-volt 2-amp wall wart. Anyway, this is more for those. So these ones came as a package deal on the Amazon. I don't even remember how much I got them for, but we're going to see in the long run how well they work with the 818 or the 817 type radio. So this uses, it plugs right into the wall. So I figured this might charge a little bit better, faster than the style one. Downside being you do need to charge 2 at a time. So 2, 4, 6, you can do the math. It has the old, and it had something like that once. I think it was a PlayStation 2. Anyway, it's got that. Seen a few DVD players or whatever, so it's pretty basic. Let's cut to the batteries. Okay, I got my multi-auto meter here. DC light 1.27. I'm going to say that's pretty darn good at a 1.2 volt. Now it does say they come pre-charged, which is so far appearing to be the case. That's good news. Right on links. Yeah, I've never really had an issue with any dubs, AA batteries, coming from Amazon for these China type ones that aren't charged. The only ones I've ever really had a problem with are the energizers that you get at like your Home Depot or your Walmart or your Lowe's or your Targets. I don't know. Let's get this plugged in and we'll see how long they take to charge. Okay. So this does claim to, hold on, Hoshinossi just has a new video out. Do I continue doing this or do I watch the Hoshinossi? And so cord is, aside from being in a knot, about, I don't know, 4 feet long. And then get it plugged in here. And they should just slip right on in. Is that right? Am I doing that right? I didn't read the directions, but I'm presuming green when fully charged, red when not fully charged. So it is 7 o'clock on the dot. I'm going to keep an eye on these, but I'm going to go watch Henry the Crash Course. So, okay, folks, it is, what is it? It's 10:15. Lights have all turned green. Put it on at 7, 8, 9, 10. So it's a solid 3 hours. I don't remember how long the other one took to charge, but I gotta go to work in the morning, so I'm going to bed. I'll finish this video tomorrow. See you then. Alright folks, it's actually a couple of days later. So, get these fresh off the charger and we'll see where they're at. 0.4. And lastly, 1.44, not found. Alright, so I guess the real test to determine is whether or not they fit into the battery tray, or if we're going to have issues with fit like we did with the other rechargeable batteries. And I can see right away this centerpiece here is starting to bulge out a bit. So I'm going to go ahead and say that I don't think that these are going to fit into the battery tray, which is a shame. They seem to be sliding in a little bit easier than some of the other ones, but yeah, I can see how that's far too snug. It's not allowing the batteries to slide back and forth like right there. I can look down in there and I can see that there's a gap that's not making contact. So I'm sure if I wiggled and messed with this for a bit, that it would fit, but I'm gonna take these out, take the tray out, and we'll try it that way. What a pain in the butt. Yeah, see, these don't slide forward. You really gotta. Still nothing. There we go. Oh, I heard that. Okay, folks, so with the battery tray outside of the radio, I was able to kind of give these a push to get them all contacting in there, because it is really snug. You can kind of see the little plastic tray actually bulging a bit by itself, and she actually does turn on. We got 10.8 volts. I don't even know what frequency that is. So they do work, they do fit. It is worth noting that in the future I did order another one of these trays that I am going to attempt to modify. They're like 20 bucks at HRO, and remove some plastic from there and see if we can get these rechargeables to fit a little bit better in there. But outside of the thing, they do fit. I'm sure with enough fidangling and fidgeting and working with it, you could get them to work inside the radio, but that's just far too much hassle benefit for, I don't remember how much I paid for this, but I think it was somewhere around $100 or something, shipped from China. You get the WINDCAMP, which is what I've been using. It is rechargeable, and then you don't have to futz with all this stuff. So thanks for watching, and you have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.